Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 search running slow fix it fast. First method is clear search history. Second method is restart Windows Explorer. Third method is change services settings. Fourth method is disable unwanted startup apps. Fifth method is run PowerShell command. Sixth method is update Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.